Hi, I'm Yasmin. I'm the Skin and Laser Specialist here in Havana Skin Clinic in Dundrum. And in this video, we're going to speak about the most popular question that we always get in the clinic is which serum can I use with my Derma roller? So the serums that we would recommend is personally from Image Skincare. And we would recommend either lightening serum, which would contain a Kojak inside. So it's going to lighten up any pigmentation that you may have or brighten up the skin itself. It's also going to suppress your melanocytes to prevent any pigmentation from jumping to the surface of the skin as we get older. We would also recommend the hyaluronic, which is a hyaluronic filler. It's not Botox, it's not fillers at all. It's a good hydration and it's a good kind of serum to plump up the skin. So either of those two serums we would recommend. You can also use those serums on the body area. So remember, it's not just the face that we can roll and it's not just the face that we can put serums on. We can use it on our bum area, we can use it on the chest if you have any pigmentation or age spots, and we can also use it on our neck area as well. So they're probably the most popular areas that we get asked about every day in the clinic itself. So you would put the serum on the area, don't rub it in too much, leave a little bit on the skin and then you would roll. Afterwards, once you wipe away the serum and if you have any blood spots from the roller, again, it's completely normal, so don't worry. Once you rub those off, then we would again put a little bit more serum on the area itself because your microchannels are open, so we want to push as much serum down underneath. So the answer to what serums we would recommend is the lightening serum from Image and the hyaluronic. Hyaluronic is my personal favourite, so give it a try. If you have any questions at all or want to know any other serums that you have at home that you may use now and you like them, if you'd like to send them onto ourselves, we'd be more than happy to do some research for you and give you the benefits of using your particular serum with our roller and also letting you know if it's safe to use your serum with our roller as well. Thank you so much for watching.
What I do is I help women to be confident and to not criticise themselves when they don't have makeup on, especially mothers with children, because we have busy lives, so we don't always have the opportunity to take that 15 to 30 minutes in the morning to apply all the makeup on. So most of the time something's going to crop up where we need to run out the door with no makeup on. So it's just really to help you have that confidence that you're able to leave your house comfortably by just taking a few simple steps in your skincare routine at home.